With Ukraine's drone army working hard in taking out a lot of Russian equipment, it's far from only tanks and armored vehicles that consist within their target list. Being so affordable, Ukraine's drones can take out everything and anything, often striking vehicles transporting troops or smaller deliveries of supplies, which there are many thousands of. With each destroyed vehicle stopping Russia's army, the impact is felt by the sheer numbers of targets hit, constantly each day. With some vehicles blowing up before the drone had a chance to strike it, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.